In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to easily fix can't find Bluetooth error in Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to check if your Bluetooth has been properly plugged or not. So by that, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Device Manager. Now here at the device manager, you need to proceed to Bluetooth and then at the Bluetooth, click on this forward arrow key and find for your Bluetooth adapter. So if you have seen your Bluetooth adapter, that means that you have properly plugged it. However, if not, then that means that you haven't. Okay? So by that, you need to proceed to the next solution. The next solution would be you need to proceed here at the File Explorer, click on it. Once you have opened the File Explorer, you need to navigate to the left pane and find for your disk PC, and under it you can see your C drive or local disk. So now open it. Once you've opened it, you need to find for your Windows, double tapped. And at the Windows, you need to proceed to the System 32. So by that, you need to scroll down and find for it. So locate for System 32. So once it's here, please click on it, double tapped. And under the System 32, you need to find for FS squared. So by that, you need to use your down arrow key and find for it. Now just be keen on finding such since there are a bunch of file here being listed. It is FS squared, okay? Now once you find it, you need to make a right click and click on this copy icon. Once you've copied it, close the window. Here at the desktop, make a right click and then click on paste. So once you have pasted the file here, okay, you need to double tap to open. And there you can see two options. Please proceed to send files. And it will automatically detect the computer or any device that you can send with. However, if not in your case, that means that you haven't turned on your Bluetooth. So by that, you need to close the window, then navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. And at the settings, please proceed to Bluetooth devices, click on it. And once done, you need to proceed to Bluetooth and then turn it on here. Okay, here at the switch, turn it on. Once done, close the window and you're good to go. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.